we are looking at how to pronounce those two words that have opposite meanings. So in British English, the top word is said as limited, limited, okay, when someone has a limit, finite limit, limited. Now in American English, that top word is said as limited, limited, with a T essentially sounding like a D, as the Americans say or pronounce things. Now the bottom word is unlimited, unlimited, okay, so you still have that stress on that same syllable, the li syllable, which is here the second syllable. Unlimited, unlimited, something that has no limits. In American English, unlimited, unlimited, okay, so limited versus unlimited, or in American English, limited versus unlimited. It's easy, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, it helps. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciation. See you there. Thanks for watching.